Hi everybody, very good morning. This is Neha. So today is day 8 of our Pranayama as well as meditation series where we are going to work deeper on our breath. So I'm sure you're all ready with your mat, a peaceful mind and a place which is more silent where you can focus on your breath. I'm sure after practicing this, you can see the difference in the state of your mind. You can feel much relaxed and much calm. So all you have to do is you have to sit either in Vajrasan or in Sukhasana, either on the chair or a bed or the yoga mat on the ground. So before we start, let's do a very mild stretch for the neck so that you can release any kind of a stress if you have in your neck. That's one of the major part of your body which is trying to hold your body in a straight line, your neck, while you start breathing. So keep your hands on the knee. Now, as you exhale, you're going to drop your head down. You can feel the pull in your back, a mild pull. And then slowly drop your neck down to the side and back and side and down. You're going to continue. Inhale, feeling the stretch, side and down. Last one more round. Continue. Inhale, back, side and down. Let's do the same thing other way too. Exhale down. Feel the pull in your back, side, back, side and down, side, back, side and down. And the last one, repeat, side, back, side and slowly come back to center. Stay here. Keep your neck down, just breathe in, breathe out. A deep inhale, a deep exhale. Slowly lift your neck up and then slowly open your eyes. Alright. So now, first 5 counts we are going to focus on our breath. Your one hand will be on your chest, another hand will be on your stomach. You just have to observe the way you are expanding your stomach and chest for 5 counts. And then you open your eyes, we'll talk about the next one. Okay? Right hand and the left hand. Just keep it on the chest as well as your stomach. Now take a deep breath in and deep breath out. 1. Inhale. Slow down your breath and exhale. 2. Inhale and exhale. 3. Deep inhale and a deep exhale. 4. 5. Now get your breath back to normal for few breaths. Just see the difference before you open your eyes. Now slowly open your eyes and you're going to release your both the hands. Alright, so the next one, you're going to breathe in and breathe out and you're going to count them. So you inhale for a shorter duration, exhale slightly longer duration than your inhale. So you're going to inhale, suppose 4 counts, you exhale for 6. So we're going to do this with 3 patterns. First we're going to do with 4:6, inhale 4, exhale 6. And then we'll inhale for 6, exhale 8. The last one is going to be extreme. If you think you can, give a try, otherwise you can continue with 6 and 8. The last one will inhale for 8 and exhale for 10. Okay, it's all about breathing slow, so you can slow down your breath as much as possible. So let us start with all these counts just 5 times. We'll take enough breaks in between. You don't have to do anything, all you have to do is just follow the instructions while I ask you to do during your breath. Okay, so now first close your eyes. Take a normal and a deep breath in, breathe out, much peaceful and relaxed one. Now prepare your mind to breathe in, breathe out to 4:6. You inhale to the count of 4 and you exhale to the count of 6. We'll also take enough break in between of these 5 counts of breath. We're going to do this 5 times and we're going to relax our breath. Now exhale completely. Inhale with my counts 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Normal breathing. Now inhale to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax your breath. We'll start third one. Inhale to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax your breath. Now inhale to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relax. Relax your breath, because after this we are going to practice 6 into 8. Exhale completely. Inhale with the count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Get back to your normal breath. Now let's just practice last one, only 3 rounds. 8 into 8 is to 10. If you think that's difficult, you can continue with 6 is to 8. Do not force yourself if you not feel like. Okay. Exhale completely. We'll start. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last one. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep your breath relaxed. And once you feel comfortable without opening your eyes, please lie down into Shavasana. Into your back. Drop your entire body weight down. Stretch your legs out. Drop your complete body weight down where you can feel the movement of your stomach as well as your chest with the breath. Now just try to see the state of your mind at this moment. Do not think anything else, any thoughts. It's just you and your breath. Breathe in, breathe out, continue to do that. You can feel the lightness in your breath. Once you feel better, you can slowly bend your both the knee and lift your both the hands over the head on the ground. Breathe in, breathe out. Now you're going to slowly turn towards your right side and then slowly sit up either into Sukhasana or Vajrasana. Please keep your eyes closed. Without opening your eyes, just slowly sit back. Get your both the palm together in Namaskara Mudra. Rub your both the palm nicely, drop it on your eyes. Open your eyes, look into your palm. Alright, I'm sure you're feeling much better and much relaxed with this technique of your breath. If you find it too stressful day where you don't know how to manage yourself, how to manage your state of mind, this kind of a breathing can be really helpful. Practice this, also share it with someone whom you really care, so it will help them as well, and drop a comment about your experience. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much. I'm also conducting online group classes. If you want to practice with me regularly, you can join these live sessions. All the details are given in the description. If you have any doubts, you can reach me on Instagram, Yoga for Cure. You can message me there.